Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that if you cannot tweet anything or Twitter claims your tweet to be sensitive or anything, any problem, how can you fix that? So you will just have to cross-check your tweet that what you have written exactly in your Twitter account, so why it's showing as sensitive. So basically, the first thing is to read that if you have listed anything like death, related to threat, or related to any sensitive circumstances on your Twitter application. So don't write these words in your Twitter. And after that, you can do one thing. You just have to go on the Twitter on Google Play Store and you can update your mobile application of Twitter from there, and also you can clear all the cache and all the data from your mobile phone to restart that application. So basically this is the video, and thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe this channel if you liked. We will meet again in the next in the best video.